With this particular question, we're dealing with this equation here. What we're going to do is we're going to compare the process involved if we differentiate it using the chain rule, and then if we differentiate it using the quotient rule. Now before we can use the chain rule, we need to convert this to powers of x. So this will become 3x minus 2 to the power of minus 1. The minus means it's on the bottom of the fraction. Then to differentiate it, we do the derivative of the outside, which is minus 1 lots of 3x minus 2, and then take 1 off the power, and we times that by the derivative of the inside piece, which is going to be 3. So we're doing it this way. We get minus 3, and then I'm going to put this back to a fraction. The minus means on the bottom of the fraction, 3x minus 2 squared. That's using the chain rule. If we want to use the quotient rule, then we need to do two things. The first one is we need to say what u is and what v is. We need to know what the derivative of each of these is. And then we start with the rule. So in this case we've got the bottom times the derivative of the top minus the top times the derivative of the bottom all over the bottom squared. What we have here is a bracketed amount times 0, so this whole piece here becomes 0. Minus 1 times 3 is minus 3, and the bottom piece stays exactly the same. As you can see here, we get exactly the same answer, slightly different process in the middle. Pretty much the decision about which rule you prefer to use, whether it's the chain rule or the quotient rule, matter of personal preference regarding the algebra that would be involved either way. So have a go at both and make a decision for yourself, which is the preferred method.